Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, they are facing an issue of camera focus, that their iPhone's camera are not focusing and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to simply clean the camera lens. Sometimes dirt, dust or fingerprints on the camera lens can interfere with autofocus. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the lenses and remove any debris. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve various software glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to do is simply tap on software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after this, then you have to do is simply close your camera app completely and then reopen it. Close the camera app and then relaunch it. So guys, you have to do is simply tap on your camera app and then close it and then reopen it again. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. So guys, after trying all of these steps and still facing the issue and your iPhone's camera focus is not working properly, then I will suggest you to do reset your camera settings. Resetting the camera settings to their default values can sometimes fix issues with focus. To do this, you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.